Hello, myself Mohammad Jilani. I am from CSE B section. My concept video topic is about types of report writing. Report writing. First of all, we have to know about what is an report writing. It is an informational work made with an intention to relay information or recounting certain events in a presentable manner. Reports are often conveyed in writing, speech, television, or film. Report is an administrative necessity. Most official form of information or work is completed via report. Report is always written in a sensational manner in order of occurrence. There are two types of report. One is informal report and another one is formal report. Informal report. The informal report functions to inform and analyze and recommend. It usually takes the form of a memo, letter, or a very short international document like a monthly financial report, monthly activities report, research and development report, etc. This report differs from the formal report in length and formality. It is written according to organization style and rules, but usually does not include the familiar front and supplemental back material. The informal report is usually more controversial in tone and typical deals with everyday problems and issues addressed to a narrow readership inside the organization. And informal reports types. There are seven types of informal report, and they are progress reports, sales activity report, personal evaluation, financial report, financeability report, literated review, credit report. And the formal reports are: the formal report is the collection and interpretation of data and information. The formal report is complex and used at an official level. It is often a writing account of major project technologies and advertisable of launching a new project lines, results of a study or experiment, an annual report, or a year-old review of development in the field. Formal report types. There are three types of formal reports: information reports, analytic reports, recommendation reports. Format for report writing. Format of a report: title page, acknowledgement, content page, abstract, introduction, body of the letter, conclusion, and reference. These are the things to write a letter. Thank you.